What they are doing now, however, it seems to me, is creating an environment that would make it extremely difficult either for any of these putative defendants to have a fair trial on the one hand, or for the government of the United States to prove their cases, and bring about prosecutions on the other.
Yes, but Mr.
So as a consequence, in my opinion, as a constitutionalist, I just wish that the Watergate hearings would be postponed until the criminal justice process has worked itself out.
Mr. Kleindienst, in light of the fact that there was a trial when you were the Attorney General, 5 of them pleaded guilty, 2 of them had trials in which there were perjured testimony, obviously not a fair trial, and now you want to go back and do the same thing.
What are you trying to say to me? That you can get better justice in a Watergate hearing conducted in this manner? They got the justice that the law of the United States provides.
With perjured testimony?
Now, let me just tell you something about perjured testimony. The FBI in this country interviewed some 2,500 people, spent 14,000 or 15,000 man-hours, some 400 agents. The testimony that was given in that court and that was furnished to the FBI was not contradicted by any credible evidence, unless you're suggesting to me that in the United States of America, if you suspect somebody is lying, that you put them on a rack, shove bamboo strips up their fingernails and beat them over the head with a brick in order to get the kind of justice that you want. And our whole system of law in this country is calculated on the absence of that kind of a procedure in the court. And I would submit to you that justice in the United States of America will always be better served by our judicial due process system and by evidence than by the kind of hearing that we've been having in the Watergate case. Yes, sir.